Hi, my name is Ghubaisha AlAmeri, a Supplier Quality Engineer from STRATA Manufacturing company. So I have graduated from the university with a bachelor degree in chemical engineering, and getting an offer into the aerospace industry was quite challenging for me. I was able to do it. Today I'm a qualified Supplier Quality Engineer and certified lead auditor. So despite all the stress and the challenges and all the hard work that we have to complete during our work days, the best moment for me is in the early mornings when everybody will start greeting each other and sharing the smiles and walking into the production line, looking at the operators and saying hi to everyone, and then at the end you feel you are like within your family. So taking into consideration that it was quite challenging for me to get into the aerospace industry, the best advice that I have got from my mentor is that, Ghubaisha, it's the ocean, and to survive, I need to throw you in the ocean to learn how to swim. So now, whenever I have any challenge, any issue, I say to myself, Ghubaisha, this is the ocean, and this is your opportunity to learn how to swim. So the most challenging moment for me is after 1 year working at STRATA, I received a request and task to be completed in India to review and approve the first article inspections. It was quite challenging for me. How can I do it? And then I said, Ghubaisha, you have got all the trust from your team, from your management, and you can do it. I did it, and I received a high recognition from our customer, and then hiding a small paper saying, Ghubaisha, good work. Thank you.